Hey, what's up XRP holder? So this is live price prediction of XRP coin. What's going on XRP holder? This time the prediction is going to be very important because after a long time XRP is wake up. XRP is starting moving up. So congratulations everyone to XRP will give you a very good profit now in upcoming time. Let's get started prediction by kindly holder. I will tell you my brothers to how many my friends big jumps they will take now in upcoming time. So therefore you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for like this video and subscribe this channel. So as you can see my brothers, especially the last 1 hour update is on the screen, and this time they fares down minus 0.33%. You know what's the main reason to they fares down, and can after this bells they can take a jump or not? So absolutely my friends, after this fails they also take a very huge jump, because after a fails every cryptocurrencies take a jump, and after a jump fails down. So therefore I'm 100% sure, 100 not 200% sure my brother, to they will take a jump after this fails. But my friends, can they take a big jump or not my brother? Absolutely the main question is that. So if we check out the last 1 month chart, then absolutely we understand whether should they take a big jump or not. So my brother, you can see here this time they big fails down, and absolutely you can see here this is big fails. So I hope after this big fails they also take a very huge jump, because my friends the last month, especially in the May month, they all currencies very badly fails down. So therefore I'm 100% sure to all currencies is very fastly moving upward in this second month my friend. So holders, kindly XRP holders, don't sell it. You need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the XRP price will be double now just in only in upcoming time. So kindly holders, don't sell it.